We're down at Barnwood Junction today for the Gloucester Life Extension project for Colas Rail. So the project itself is a life extension of the signalling system. So the parts that we're completing in this project for that are the track circuit upgrades. We're also adding resilience to the existing signalling circuits. So we're double cutting those circuits, which involves running new multi-core cables and cutting those into the existing circuits, which adds an extra level of redundancy for the system.
We're currently building 69 new location cases to replace the existing Track circuits because they're now life expired. We're replacing these with brand new EBI 400 location cases. These cases come into us as a bare shell. They're built in our warehouse at Eastleigh, where they're fabricated fully to the state we see them today. They will then get factory tested on site, delivered onto site, where they get cabled up and then tested into use.
Civil works that's been taking place start from some stagings which the locations will have to go in on some tricky and difficult areas of the infrastructure, to standard flat level hard standing bases, all the way up to some generic retaining walls that our civils team have been completing prior to the signalling works taking place.
So we encourage site inspections before the projects even start. We go out on site, we do a treasure hunt, making sure that we find any hazards that might become apparent on site, lowering the risk of accidents and incidents.
A safety conversation was held about the local platforms. They had an issue in regards to a trip point or potential trip hazard. We decided to design the whole platform from start to finish. There's a lot of value engineering in this design, saves time, overall cost per unit, it's more environmentally friendly, and we've reduced the waste and the embedded carbon per platform.
Something we looked to do early on the GASP project was to go to each site, survey them, risk assess them. We sort of created an interactive poster which tells you which access points you can use, which ones you should use with mitigations, which one you shouldn't use at all. Really, the main point is to sort of mitigate those risks, reduce the incidents and accidents around access points.